Today we have a video from Crime Cam Now, and the title of the video is Pregnant Fugitive Runs from Deputies Twice.
On August 15, 2025, Flagler County Sheriff's deputies received information about a suspect involved in a series of thefts targeting smoke shops. She was wanted in Vermont for robbery, assault, and violation of probation since May 2024. To avoid prosecution, she had relocated to Palm Coast, Florida. A fugitive unit deputy located her vehicle at St. Joe Plaza in Palm Coast. A few minutes later, the deputy saw her running out of Galaxy One smoke shop with an employee chasing after her.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Julie, third for flash, take it off from me. Get out of the car! Alright. It's gonna be a silver Mazda going eastbound on the Parkway. I no longer have eyes on the vehicle, Flagler. I added her 14 to the call. It was going eastbound on the Parkway so far. She has a felony warrant out of Vermont. It's violation of probation reference, I believe robbery. 10-4. I was working with Vermont last week and they confirmed and advised they would extradite.
Another fugitive unit deputy responded to her residence and, within minutes, saw her arriving and parking in the driveway.
Hey, out of the car! Out of the car!
I'm coming.
Put it in park.
I am. I'm coming.
Put it in park, step out.
I will. Just a second, please.
Stop reaching.
I'm not.
Stop reaching. Get out of the car.
Stop grabbing me. I'm scared.
Okay, get out of the car. Put your hands behind your back.
Please. I need to tell my partner.
Stop. No, put your hands behind your back. Stop. Stop. You're going to get tased. Do you want to get tased?
No, you don't need to do that.
Okay, no, you're not listening. Put your hands behind your back and keep them there.
I will listen. Please don't put cuffs on me.
Dang, y'all see her arm? Ooh, wee. Man, she going through it. She going through it. When you see them arms like that, know what that mean. Know what that mean. Golly.
Stop.
Sir, please.
Stop.
She trying to figure out how she gonna get out this jam. It's over with.
I know it is.
You going to jail.
Julia 30 Flagler, female detained.
I'm 7 months pregnant.
Okay, well, you need to start listening then. Okay?
Can you please just uncuff me?
No,
I promise I'll listen.
no, you're not getting uncuffed right now. And as soon as I get another deputy here, we'll work on that, okay? But right now, you're gonna stay in handcuffs. Okay? You tried to back up on me when I told you to stop.
I know. I'm sorry.
Okay, and you didn't get out of the car when I asked you to.
I was scared.
Okay, no, listen.
I'm
Okay?
scared.
You need to start listening, and then things will go different. You were reaching on the side of the car. What are you?
My phone.
Okay, okay, you don't reach when the cops are here.
I'm sorry.
Okay, this isn't your first time dealing with the police.
What do you mean?
What do I mean, Taylor?
I haven't dealt with the police.
Taylor. Really?
I just got to Vermont. I don't know anything.
You just got to Vermont. You're in Florida.
I know. I mean, I'm from Vermont.
Yeah. You haven't dealt with the police in Vermont?
Not in years. Not since I was a kid.
Not in years since you were a kid?
Yeah, since I was like 19.
Okay. Here, I'll loosen this cuff. Hold on. Just read.
If you see my hand, it's really messed up.
Well, I understand that, but looks like that's not from me though.
No, it gets really tight at first.
Okay.
Yeah, you messed up your own hand.
Meaning not to listen.
Okay,
I got
Taylor.
scared.
Taylor. Okay.
I just got scared. I'm sorry.
Okay, Taylor. I'll put another set of handcuffs on you.
What?
I'll put 2 sets of handcuffs on you, okay?
You don't have to have them. I promise
Yeah,
I'll listen.
no, that's not the way this works. Okay, but I'll put another set on to give you a little bit more room, okay?
you gonna take me somewhere?
Taylor, you have a warrant for your arrest.
What do you mean?
You have a warrant for your arrest out of Vermont.
So you have to take me somewhere?
Yeah. As soon as they confirm the warrant, you're going to be taken somewhere. Yeah, you got to go to jail.
Why?
Why? Because you got a warrant out of Vermont.
I'm starting my job tomorrow. My baby's coming.
Okay. Hold on. All right, do me a favor. Just lean against the car for me.
What?
Your butt against the car. Your
My butt?
butt, yeah.
I'm gonna be sick. I don't understand.
Why are you going to be sick?
Because I need to take my meds.
Okay, what's your meds for?
I'm addicted to something. They're in the car.
Okay.
I just don't want to be sick. I have
Okay.
water.
Are
Can
they-
I please just take them?
What? Calm down. First of all, okay? Okay, if you're going to be sick, I can call paramedics here, okay? But this is what is your meds?
It's those,
Are they in your name? Or are they in a prescription bottle?
neither. They're just from the store. Please.
Okay, I can't give it to you right now. I'm going to turn off the car. Stay there, okay? Whose car is this? Who lives
Can
here?
I wake my boyfriend
No,
up?
not right now. Who lives here?
Like, whose owner's name?
Yeah, I mean, who you live with?
I live with my boyfriend, like 7 other people.
Okay. Do you know who owns the house?
Mark,
How do you know Mark?
he's our friend.
Okay. From Vermont?
I think he's from Vermont originally.
Oh, okay. Who's friends with him?
What do you mean?
Well, I mean, how do you know him? Like you said, he's a friend.
My boyfriend was his friend first.
Okay.
Please don't take me. Can't you just cite me?
No, if you have a warrant from Vermont, you have to go to jail.
Cite you for the warrant.
Julia, 35.
I'm having a baby though.
Yeah, you'll have it in jail. You'll be all right.
I don't want to lose my baby.
You'll have it in jail. You'll be able to keep it for probably about 6 months to a year. And then after that first year or whatever the case may be, kid gonna go bye-bye. Bye-bye.
You're not going to lose your baby.
I am if they're going to take me to jail.
I mean, what? You violated probation of something?
2 years ago.
Okay, well, then why didn't you just take care of it?
Because I was scared, and then I was in the hospital for almost 3 months. And when I got out, I was living in someplace really far away. I couldn't get there, so I figured time kept going by, and
Cut the excuses. Don't want to hear it.
I mean, this is what happens when you let things just fester.
Can't you just cite me for what I did wrong?
Not if you have a warrant. The warrant is from Vermont saying that that you did something that you needed to go back to Vermont for.
How long does that take?
I don't know.
Typically, if you got a warrant from another state or county or something like that, a lot of times they'll give them like a time frame. So Florida, for example, Florida will hold them, but they'll be like, all right, Vermont, you guys got 2 weeks to come pick her up, and then Vermont will send 2 officers or whatever to Florida, whatever, and go get her,
After all her stories fell apart, she made one more mistake, trying to run from a deputy while pregnant, handcuffed, and wearing flip-flops.
No way she tried to run.
Now you're going for escape.
Oh, please. I'm just scared. Ow, my wrist, my wrist.
Okay, then you shouldn't have ran.
I'm sorry, I'm scared. Ow, ow, ow.
She just took off on me.
I'm sorry, I'm just scared. I'm sorry.
You another charge?
Yep.
I'm pregnant and I'm scared.
Okay, well now you just got more charges. All your warrants.
I'm just pregnant. I'm scared. I'm sorry. 7 months or 6 months. Sorry.
6 months pregnant? Is she falling or anything?
Huh?
Is she fall or anything like that?
No.
I'm sorry. I'm just scared.
Why'd you run? You're 7 months pregnant and you're running from the police?
I'm just so scared. I'm sorry.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
No. I don't.
And this is why you don't do shit nice for people. The officer was very polite, and he even double cuffed her, right? Well, extended the cuffs. Typically, they do that for big people. A lot of times, if women are pregnant, they'll cuff you in the front, But this woman, come on, man. This woman has been trying to run from her responsibilities for a while now. So why would you do anything nice for her? Loosen up the cuffs, double cuff them, you know what I'm saying? All this other stuff, try to be polite, and she's still going to try and run. That's why you don't do things nice for people, man. No.
Pockets.
Female search. If you want to go home. Have a seat.
Juliet 35. Is there a female 1037 that could be 1051?
Took off on her own again.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm just scared.
You messed up.
I'm
Big
sorry.
time.
I'm scared.
Big time. All right.
I'm just scared. I'm sorry. I'm just scared. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I'm
well-
a bad person.
Well, you got charges out of here. You got charges out of Vermont. You did not make your situation any better. Any better at all.
You just extended it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't really care that you're sorry, to be honest with you. Okay, you put a lot of people in danger with your reckless driving. And then you were obviously looked like you were stealing from the smoke shop over there as well. That's why the owner was chasing after you. So
Stealing from a smoke shop.
My friend gave me these things one time, and I got addicted to them now. And I've been trying to taper down off them. I'm sorry. Yes.
that type of shit doesn't fly here in Flagler County. All right.
I'm sorry. I know you don't care, but I don't know what to say other than that I'm sorry.
Deputies arrested her on a fugitive from justice warrant, along with charges of fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement, resisting arrest, and attempted escape. She was taken to the Sheriff Perry Hall inmate detention facility, where she's being held without bond.
Yep.
You asked me to be cool with you, and then you go do that. Like, I don't understand. Like,
Not working. It's frozen and I don't feel good. I'm sorry. I do apologize.
A whole bunch of excuses. I'm sorry. I do that. And nobody don't want to hear that. Nobody don't want to hear that. Yeah, she just literally made her situation worse. Not even from that in the yard. Yes, that, but taking off from that other officer and stuff like that. Man, it's just because now you got to deal. You're gonna deal with one. It's gonna go one way or the other. They're gonna coordinate it, but she's either gonna deal with her charges here first or Florida. She's gonna deal with her charges in Florida first. After Florida is done with her, however much time she's gonna serve and whatever, she might get a year for that type of stuff or whatever, 6 months, a year, something like that. Then she's gonna go serve and deal with what she got to deal with in Vermont, or it's gonna be vice versa. They're gonna send her up to Vermont. She got to deal with whatever she got to deal with. Instead of her being released in Vermont, she will be transferred back down to Florida and deal with her charges in Florida. You're done. Okay? You will be having that baby in prison. Okay? Well, jail. You'll still be going through the jail process. Because if you're 7 months pregnant, you got about a month and a half, 2 months to go. Yeah. Okay? That's it. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. So yeah. I give the officers a 4. I ain't gonna lie. I can't give a 5 just because you don't do nice things for people that's been giving people nothing but hell. So you know, she's been a nuisance. So I don't know why, you know, well, let me double up the cuffs and sit outside. And why you ain't put her in your car off the rip? Like, why nobody ain't? She's been running. Why are we still sitting outside? Put her in the car. Why, you know, why you gotta wait till the other officer to show up to for the other officer to tell you to call a female officer? You know you gonna need a female officer from the jump. You know, it's like, let's get with the program here, man. Act like I done that. Act like you done did that job before. You hear me? The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.